Hello. So we are going to work on a bingo card. It's an art history bingo card. So if you scroll down, click on Mondays. I would assume Tuesday and Wednesday would be up by the time you're looking at this, but today's Monday, so I'm using Monday stuff, okay? So for your bingo card, you're going to need the answers to the scavenger hunt. So you were supposed to click on this Google slide. Make sure you do File, make a copy, write your name on it, and save it to your drive. If you've been coming to the Google Meets, I gave you the answers. If you have not been coming to the Google Meets, those are requirements. So if you're not able to make it, you have to communicate that with me. So you're going to take the answers from the scavenger hunt, and then those answers are pieces of artwork from our slideshow. Now for the bingo card, we are going to make a new slideshow. So come up here to your Google Apps, click on Slides, hit the plus sign. You're making your own. Okay. You can delete the text. You can also get rid of the themes here. So on this one and only slide, you're going to do insert. You're going to hit table, and we're going to do 5 by 5. So 25. Take the table all the way to the top left. Scroll down all the way to the bottom right. Okay. The center space will be your free space. You can make this centered. Okay. So now when you're looking at your scavenger hunt, I have an answer somewhere. Oh. So the first one, the answer is Medusa by Caravaggio. So in your PowerPoint, you have to find Medusa. She's right here. Okay. You're going to right click on the artwork and then hit copy. Then you're going to go to your bingo card, and anywhere you want, you paste it. Oh, it doesn't work the way I always think it does. And make your artwork so it fits inside the rectangle, please. There's Caravaggio, Medusa. And you're going to continue doing that for the rest of them. So the Luncheon of the Boating Party by Renoir. And hopefully while you're doing this, you're repeating the titles and it's making a connection in your brain. So the Luncheon of the Boating Party by Renoir. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste it to the bingo card. You're going to make it small so it fits in the bingo card. Alright? Even if it's teeny tiny, it's okay. We want it to fit. Alright? Now you can put the artwork in any spots, but this card will be full so you can play bingo with it. I was going to say, if you want to change up the format, like you can click on this, you can make it a different color, you can make the border width a little bit thicker. That's intense. Maybe not so thick. You can make the background a different color. Alright, so you can make it your own if you want. But the goal is there's 24 questions from the scavenger hunt, and there's 24 places on your bingo card. And you can put the artwork anywhere you want, as long as there's one artwork for each square. Okay, this is the third one. Copy this. Paste it in here. And you can put it wherever you want. That's the whole point. It's bingo. You guys should not have the same card. Alright. Alright. If you have any questions, let me know. We're going to practice bingo. Oh, I'm so glad I said that. You will have to make bingo markers. So to make the markers, add another slide here. And then you can just insert a shape. I would pick a shape that's pretty obvious that you have a bingo. Let's do a heart. And I would definitely make sure you fill this in with a color. Do that. Okay? And that way when we actually play bingo, you can copy this and you can paste it in here. And you can get the right size. And that way when you mark it, you can tell that you got a bingo. Okay, so this will be your bingo chip, the little heart or whatever shape you choose to do. Alrighty. So the bingo card is due, and I want you to share it with me. So share, call it your bingo card, save it, and then share it to me through my email. Alright. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.